I designed a matrix-based data analysis algorithm for examining customer behavior in retail, wholesale, and online trade. Especially useful in cases where analysis is challenged by a large volume of data per customer and a substantial customer base. This data analysis allows for the rapid and straightforward identification of patterns. If you're seeking results without resorting to cluster analysis and machine learning technologies, this video is tailored for you. Today, we will explore the matrix data analysis algorithm using a specific example, making it easier for you to grasp its simplicity and effectiveness. We will utilize data from the largest online grocery store in the United States, Instacart. The data is sourced from an open database, allowing you to replicate all computations by substituting your dataset. You can download the Python code and summary in Excel tables from the link provided in the description. So, let's get started. After the necessary data cleaning and transformation, a familiar process to you as a data analyst, I obtained a sales dataset ready for applying the developed algorithm. First step: the preparation for graphical matrix creation. It involves identifying key parameters to segment customers into groups with similar consumer behavior. We construct graphs for all pairs of customer characteristics and determine the relevant ones. At this step, our limitations lie in the dataset itself. Specifically, how comprehensively it describes each purchase. For instance, if consumer behavior is directly influenced by age, and age is not provided, accurately grouping customers becomes challenging. In our example, we create scatterplots for various pairs of Instacart customer characteristics and observe that the data clusters based on age and income axes. Critical income levels are identified at $200,000 and $400,000 annually. In terms of age, the critical point is at 40 years. Remarkably, at this step, we uncover a compelling insight: a complete absence of customers with high income and below 40 years old. Through another graph, we assess if data clusters by gender, number of dependents, and family status. Only family status proves relevant. Consequently, it makes sense to group customers based on income and age and include in every group analysis the family status parameter. So, we have identified the groups for which we will compile a matrix. These are groups of young people under 40 years old, young consumers, after 40 years old, mature consumers. And by income, the groups are designated as basic, with an income of up to $200,000 per year, advanced, with an income from $200 to $400,000 per year, and investors, with an income of more than $400,000 per year. Parameters used for analysis: we include all possible parameters from our database. Second step involves constructing a matrix of graphs, creating visual representations for identified groups and their respective parameters. In this matrix, the columns are the customer groups we defined earlier. Rows are the parameters used for analysis. Each cell of the matrix contains a visualization for a given group for a given parameter. For comparison, the first column is an analysis of the entire database for all parameters. In such a matrix, the visualization effect is used to the maximum, and all hidden insights immediately catch the eye. Third step entails analyzing the graphs and drawing conclusions. The results, as you can see, reveal intriguing insights. For example, we see that the company's growth potential lies in the development of client groups, which in terms of the number of clients are now approaching 0%. Since their share in sales volume reaches 12%. These groups are mature advanced consumers, mature investors, and young advanced consumers. You can imagine how sales volume will increase if the number of clients of these groups increases by at least 1%. It is all the more important to create a group of young investors, which is not represented at all. Another interesting insight is that the busiest day of week for mature advanced consumers is different from other customer groups. This is very important for organizing tailored marketing campaigns. The Graphic Matrix revealed many hidden insights. There are also absolutely surprising ones, for example, the absence of large families among clients. It is safe to say that an algorithm that includes the construction of a graphical matrix is the most important tool for a deep understanding of your data. I really hope that you can apply it soon and share your achievements with me. See you soon on my channel.